long before ice ruled the planet. Earth existed in a fragile balance, warm, vibrant, and filled with life across every continent. Vast prehistoric forests stretched endlessly, dominated by towering ancient trees and enormous ferns, far larger than anything seen today. The oceans were warmer then, their coastlines unfamiliar, shaped by ancient continents drifting slowly across the planet. Life moved calmly and predictably, thriving under stable skies and gentle seasons that lasted for thousands of years. The continents themselves were different, arranged in unfamiliar patterns, slowly reshaped by tectonic forces beneath the surface. Above it all, Earth's atmosphere trapped heat evenly, maintaining a climate that felt permanent and unchanging. The sun shone steadily, unaware that subtle changes were already beginning deep within Earth's systems. Because on Earth, even the most stable worlds are never truly permanent. High in the mountains, the first warning signs appeared as snow began to linger longer each passing year. Far below the ocean surface, ancient currents slowed, weakening the planetary engine that redistributed heat around the globe. At the poles, thin layers of ice formed for the first time, fragile yet persistent. Nights grew longer, days slightly colder, changes so gradual that life barely noticed at first. Animals sensed the shift instinctively, migrating earlier, traveling farther, searching for warmth and survival. Forests thinned, colors cooled, yet massive prehistoric ferns continued to dominate the landscape. Sea levels slowly dropped, exposing ancient lands that had not seen sunlight for millions of years. Carbon dioxide levels declined, reducing Earth's ability to trap heat within its atmosphere. Without realizing it, the planet had begun cooling itself. Seasonal ice no longer disappeared, marking the birth of permanent ice at Earth's extremes. Glaciers formed and began their slow advance, reshaping mountains and valleys with unstoppable force. Ice flows drifted across ancient oceans, signaling a profound transformation of the global climate. As ice spread, sunlight reflected back into space, accelerating the planet's descent into cold. Global temperatures fell past a critical threshold, locking Earth into a new climatic state. The first powerful snowstorms swept across the land, altering ecosystems forever. Dense forests gave way to frozen plains as enormous plants struggled to survive the cold. Wind grew louder, ice cracked constantly, and the world felt increasingly hostile to life. This was no temporary shift. The Ice Age had truly begun. Massive ice sheets expanded across northern continents, burying entire landscapes beneath frozen silence. Many species vanished, unable to adapt to the rapidly changing and unforgiving environment. Early humans now faced an enemy more powerful than predators, the climate itself. Shelter, fire, and cooperation became essential tools for survival in a frozen world. Lower sea levels connected distant continents, forming land bridges across the globe. Ocean circulation weakened further, trapping cold air and ice in place. Ice advanced farther toward the equator than ever before in Earth's history. From space, Earth's surface slowly turned white. The warm world of the past was gone beyond recovery. The transformation of the planet was complete. A frozen Earth emerged, vast, silent, and shaped by relentless cold. Glaciers moved like slow rivers, carving the land with unimaginable force. The sun struggled to penetrate thick, icy skies above the planet. Only the strongest forms of life endured under these extreme conditions. Earth continued its journey through space, forever changed by ice. Silence dominated, much of the land, broken only by wind and cracking ice. A new era had begun, one defined by patience and survival. This was an age shaped not by fire or growth, but by cold. This was the day Earth began to freeze,